In this lesson, we will be reviewing the area model of multiplication 3 digits by 1 digit. In this problem, we will be multiplying 269 times 4. So first we need to draw our model, which is a rectangle. And we'll break up the 269 into the place values. In expanded form, 200 plus 60 plus 9. And just like in the algorithm, we're multiplying each of those values by 4. So in this first box, we'll be multiplying 200 times 4, which is 800. In the second box, we'll be multiplying 60 times 4, which is 240. And in the final box, we'll multiply 9 times 4, which is 36. These are each of the partial products. So now we just need to add the partial products, making sure to line up the digits in the correct place value. And our product for 269 times 4 is 1076. In this problem, we'll be using the area model to multiply 673 times 6. So first you need to draw your rectangle, which is the visual model, and break up 673 into expanded form. 600 plus 70 plus 3. Separate each of the values. And we're multiplying each of those values times 6. So something I use in class to help students, all this is basically relying on basic facts and multiplying by powers 10, hundreds, and thousands. So here you can see the basic fact is 6 times 6, which is 36. And since 600 is 2 times bigger, 100 times bigger, the 36 will be 100 times bigger. And the second box will be multiplying 70 times 6. So here again, your basic fact is 7 times 6, which is 42. And since 70 is 10 times bigger, then 42 is going to be 10 times bigger, which is 420. And in the final box, it's just a basic fact of 3 times 6, which is 18. A common mistake students make is they have an incorrect number of zeros in each of the partial products. So finally, then you need to add up your partial products, 3,600 plus 420 plus 18. And our product is 4,038. And this problem will be multiplying 154 times 7. So I'm going to do this problem vertically instead of horizontally. So I will break up the 154 vertically. And again, we're multiplying each of those values times 7. So here in this first box, we'll multiply 100 times 7, which is 700. And then 50 times 7, which is 350. And 4 times 7, which is 28. So it does not matter the number you break up into expanded form, if it's across horizontally or vertically, that follows the commutative property of multiplication. It's just personal preference. So again, add up your partial products of 700, again making sure to line them up carefully, and 28. And our product is 1078. Common student errors when completing area models are 1, multiplying incorrectly, second, incorrect number of zeros, so when they're multiplying the two partial products, they either have too many or too few zeros. Sometimes what I have students do is underline the basic fact and then they can count their zeros so they know how many zeros should be in their problem after they complete the basic fact. And third, not lining up the digits when adding or just simple addition errors.